How to align objects in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can align the objects or photos. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. So here you can import any of the images that you want to edit. So here I'm selecting one and now I'm in this editing platform. Now simply click on the photo first and here you'll be able to see different options. So here you can simply tap on transform. Now here you can adjust the photo by turning it wherever you want. Here you can see this horizontal and vertical flips too. Here there are different options of adjusting it however you like. So you can use these tools and adjust the photo according to your choice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.